love going out to eat, especially to a buffet where we get to treat ourselves on a variety of choices laid out in inviting displays. From an industry perspective, buffet is an important operation, keeping in mind the conferences and special events that happen all the time, from the menu design to the careful planning, strategizing, execution, bulk production, and finally the wrap-up.
I'm Chef Vinod Radhakrishnan. So with regards to costing, they are given a specified budget within which they need to work on. Budgeting is done in such a way that they would prepare different varieties of food. They did the calculation well and then executed it. So it was actually very well done.
Today, my name is Chef Sergio. I'm Chef Instructor of the Hot Kitchen. So the graduation banqueting buffet that will be held in here at the ICCA today. So we're prepping hard today. From yesterday to today, we've been using all the new skills that everyone has learned, all the new cooking techniques, and we're making things happen today.
Hi, my name is Sally. I'm part of the patisserie department. Today, we will make a finishing touch of the banqueting style. In the class, we're doing only 1 or 2 single portion. Now they need to make like a banquet style, 400 people plus.
Hello, I'm Chef Victoria and I am part of the cookery department of ICCA Dubai. So after so many hours of cooking, finally is the time of the plating and presentation. We have a full table with salads and appetizers and canapes. On the next table, we have the full arrangement of main course. We have meat dishes, vegetarian, seafood, everything with a sauce and a garnish itself.
Hi, my name is Chef Maya. I'm a pastry instructor at ICCA. So our lovely students have been preparing since yesterday. Here we have selected menu of Arabic sweets, Arabic dessert, and some classic French desserts like charlotte, like fraisier, and hope our guests will enjoy it.
Hi everyone, this is Chef Roshali from ICCA Dubai. So it is the end of the banquet right now and the students look very happy. The reaction of the people with the spread of the buffet was amazing.
Hi, I'm Chef Edward Clegg. It's nice to see how the soon-to-be senior batch, see the outgoing batch, appreciate what they have done for them, and it gives them that sense of achievement. And at the end of the day, something to look forward to when the junior batch actually faces or gets to enjoy their graduation buffet.
We definitely enjoyed that one and happy that our students are also now adept at banqueting operations too. At ICCA, only smart trained talent is what you get.